While the Uganda feast, the situation within the military barrack has reached a critical point, despite the government's announcement of a salary increase for civil servants and the military effective 1 April 2026. The settlement on the ground is one of profound skepticism. The April salary manage of some have dubbed it is seen as too little, too late. Sarabina mashuko bdanyu kupangwa inwe achizi the crisis and the barracks. It was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina kuna mu bdanyu kwa mchinzi. Investigations reveal that the operational capacity of the ZDF is being hampered by the very economic crisis the government claims to be solving. Reports of food shortages in some cantonment areas and dilapidated state of military housing, such as the long-delayed projects in Sekwa, if become a source of embarrassment for the top brass. A hungry soldier is a dangerous soldier, Muchena's statement seems to imply. When the military can no longer feed its own or provide a dignified life for those who carry the guns, the loyalty that ZANU-PF has relied upon for 46 years begin to evaporate. The military now view the government's failure to manage the economy, specifically the instability of the ZIG and the rapid corruption, as a direct threat to national security. As Zimbabwe moves deeper into 2026, the tension between the barracks and the boardroom is the most significant story in the country. The crocodile may have survived many challenges, but he now faces a military that is no longer condemned to be a silent partner in the nation's decline. General Mchena has set the stage. The army is watching. The question for ZANU-PF is whether they will listen to the advice before they watching into action. In the simple English of the streets, the message is even clearer. The soldiers are hungry, the generals are angry, and the politicians are running out of time. This is not just a political rift, it is a battle for the soul of Zimbabwe. And for the first time in years, the military is publicly questioning whether ZANU-PF is the solution or the problem. Doma developments are pombre Zimbabwe. Pina comment section medu za fura imo tulipa mzuri pa chitko ichi. Musa wana subscribe wa like, chito on the bell icon.